What a glorious day. What should we do today, Franco?
Let's visit Pippa. She always has good food.
We shouldn't be visiting just to eat her food.
Okay. We can chat. And eat her food.
Franco! Hi, Pippa.
Hi, guys.
We came to eat.
We thought we'd drop in and say hi.
Come on in. It's been a while. Take a seat.
Thanks, Pippa. It's good to see you. Sorry we haven't visited more.
You licked my eye.
Franco! Stop being weird. That is not polite. Sorry, Pippa. Franco needs to remember his manners.
Sorry, Pippa. You just don't blink much.
Please don't do it again. I'll get some food.
Thanks, Pippa. This is great.
You're welcome, Carl. I collected the seed myself. Franco! Why are you eating out of my bowl?
I thought you were done.
Franco! Stop it! That is so rude.
Fine. I'll go.
Franco!
Oh, wow. Did you guys just come to eat my food?
Sorry, Pippa. Good one, Franco. We are not welcome at Pippa's place anymore.
I don't care.
You should. She was a good friend.
Franco later apologized to Pippa to please Carl and for Pippa's good food.